Welcome to Learning with Victor. Let's take a look at multiplying two numbers times two numbers. We have three examples that we're going to look at. Our first example is 17 times 45. So we'll multiply 5 times 7 and then 5 times 1. Then we'll multiply 4 times 7 and 4 times 1. We'll add them up. So let's see what we get. 5 times 7 equals 35. So I'll write my 5 and I'll carry the 3. So 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So I write the 8 right there. I'm going to cross off the 3. This way I don't get confused. 4 times 7 equals 28. So we'll write the 8 and we'll carry the 2. Now I have 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So I'll draw my line, write the addition sign, and I can cross off my carry. I can leave it there. Sometimes I do, but it's a good habit to cross it off. All right, now over here I have a space. I think what I'll do is I'll write a 0 right here. I'm allowed to do that. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So I'll write the 6 and I'll carry the 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. This answer is 765. I tried to keep my numbers lined up as best I can. I don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. But we don't want to be sloppy and choppy. Just do the best you can, but don't take all day. You don't want to write a number like the number 5, and it takes all day to write it. And then you're like, oh, that's off a little bit. Let me erase it, and then before you know it, it's over. The test is over. So just write your numbers as neat as you can. Try to line them up as best as you can. And then it makes it easier. Here's our next problem. 87 times 32. So once again, 2 times 7, and then 2 times 8. Then we'll multiply 3 times 7 and 3 times 8. Here we go. 2 times 7 equals 14. So I'll write the 4 and I carry the 1. 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 plus 1 equals 17. So I'll write my 7 and I'll write the 1. There we go. Time to cross off my carry. 3 times 7 equals 21. So I write the 1 under the 3 spot area here, you see? That goes there. And I try to line it up nicely. Just don't go crazy. You don't want to be perfect. You want to be good enough, and then you're okay. 3 times 7 equals 21, so I carry the 2. 3 times 8 equals 24. 24 plus 2 equals 26. I write the 6, the 2, draw my line, put a plus sign, and I usually cross it off. Not always, but it's a good habit. And there I'll write the 0. So let's add them up. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 1 plus 6 equals 7. And 2 comes down. And let's see, I have 1, 2, 3 spots, so I'll put my comma there. This answer is 2,784. Let's take a look at this one. 76 times 53. 3 times 6, and then 3 times 7. Then we'll do 5 times 6, and 5 times 7. Let's get started. 3 times 6 equals 18. So I'll write my 8 and I'll carry the 1. 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 plus 1 equals 22. So I write my 2 and then the other 2. I'll cross off my carry so I don't make a mistake. 5 times 6 equals 30. So I'm working on this number, so the 0 will go here. And there it is. And I'll carry the 3. Because 5 times 6 equals 30. I wrote my 0, and I'll carry my 3. 5 times 7 equals 35. 35 plus 3 equals 38. So I'll write the 8, and then I'll write the 3. So now I draw my line, I put my addition sign, and I cross this off. Now suppose you were a little unsure how much 35 plus 3 equals. You can write it down. You can write it on the side, write it on scrap paper. It's okay. This is 35 plus 3. So all I have to do is 5 plus 3 equals 8. There's nothing to carry, so the 3 comes down right here. And there it is. And then I'll say to myself in my mind, 35 plus 3 equals 38. That way, when I have it again, there's a good chance I'll remember it. All right, so let's add these up. I'll put a 0 here. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So I'll write the 0, and I'll carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. I have 1, 2, 3 numbers, and I put the comma right there. The answer is 4,028.